Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how I crochet my high waist skirts with slits. This is part 1 of a 2-part video tutorial. Part 1 will be demonstrating the waistband and part 2 will be focusing on the rest of the skirt. Thanks for watching. Let's begin. So first we're going to be using DK weight yarn. For this video, I'll be using Paint Box Cotton DK, scissors, 2 crochet hooks, 3.5 and 4.25 mm. We're also going to need a darning needle, some stitch markers, and a measuring tape. So first we're going to take our smaller 3.5 crochet hook. We're going to make a total of 6 foundation single crochet. So we're going to make a slip knot. We're going to chain 2. 1 and 2. And for this piece, we're going to insert the hook into the back loop of the first chain that we made. Not this one, but that back loop. So that back loop will act as the 2 loops that we will be inserting the hook when starting your foundation chain for the rest of the row. So insert hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So again, there's the 2 loops that we will be inserting the hook in for the rest of the foundation row. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So this is going to be our 3rd one. Caught my mistake there. This is the 4th one. And this is going to be the 5th one. And so after the 5 foundation single crochets, we're going to continue with 5 foundation half double crochets. So we're going to yarn over first, then insert the hook. Yarn over, pull through, then yarn over, pull through 1 loop, and then yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. And again, we're going to continue this for a total of 5 foundation half double crochets. Our 2nd one. 3rd. 4th and 5th. So after the 5 foundation half double crochets, we're going to continue with 5 foundation double crochets. So we're going to continue like a half double crochet. Yarn over, pull through 1, but yarn over, pull through 2, then yarn over, pull through the last 2. So this pattern of the 5 different foundation stitches, you can always customize it to however you want. If you want to make a longer waistband, then instead of 5 foundation single, half double, and double crochets, you can do 6 or 7 to make it longer if you prefer that. Or you can, if you want to make it a smaller waistband, then you can do, I would say, 3 of each. Okay. So here is what it would look like. So then we're going to continue on with chaining 2. We're going to turn the piece and we're going to half double crochet into the back loops only. So we're going to start off with inserting the hook into the same stitch that you made the chain 2 from. And we're going to continue that until you can stretch the piece around, and there's going to be about 2 inches of space in between when you stretch it around your waist. Alright, so I'm finishing up this last row of half double crochet into the back loops only. And so once you reach the measurement of the desired length, you're going to want to keep in mind of which end of the waistband you ended up on, meaning the end of the foundation single crochet or the end of the foundation double crochet. So in this case, I ended up in the same side as the foundation single crochet. So here, instead of chaining 2, I'm going to chain 1 for a single crochet. I'm actually going to undo this, and we're going to single crochet, still in the back loops only, into the first 5 stitches. So we're pretty much going to mirror the foundation chain end. So we're going to do 5 foundation single crochet, 5 single crochet, and then 5 half double crochet, and then 5 double crochet into the back loops only. Alright, so now you should have a piece that you can stretch around your waist with about, I'd say, less than 2 inches in between. And then we're going to continue on with the chain spacing detail. Since we're at the double crochet end, we're still going to want to mirror the single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet pattern with this spacing detail. So since we're at the double crochet end, instead of chaining 2, we're gonna chain 5 and skip 2. Skip the next 2 chains, and we're going to insert the hook into the 3rd stitch and make a double crochet since we're at the double crochet end. So for this particular waistband, I will be doing a pattern of chain 2, skip 2 for the spacing, and 3 stitches in between each spacing detail. So this will obviously differ for each person depending on how many of the stitches you decide to do for your particular waistband. So if you did 6 or 7 of the single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet foundation stitches, this part will be a little different. You can either do your math, or I just do the trial and error method because that's easier. Need a little more patience, but I guess easier. So here I decided to see what it would look like to slip stitch into the last stitch, but I decided that a single crochet looked better. So it's going to look like this. Alright, so once you single crochet your last stitch, you're going to cut yarn and fasten off, and then we're pretty much going to attach the yarn to the other side of the waistband and basically mirror the chain spacing detail on this side. Alright, so once you reach the end of your piece, you're going to want to cut yarn and fasten off. And then with our larger 4.25 millimeter crochet hook, we are going to make a slip knot and attach the yarn to the double crochet chain space, to either one, it doesn't matter. And we're going to chain 2. So this chain 2 will act as a half double crochet, and in this chain space we are going to make a total of 5 half double crochet. So this is 1, and this is 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, so there's a total of 5. Okay, so I decided to add 1 more. I'm not sure if that's a mistake, but I guess you can add 6 in there. But my written pattern says 5, and this skirt still turned out the same, so it's okay. And we're going to make 2 half double crochet in this row because it was a double crochet row, or double crochet side. And in those holes there, the chain 1 space, small space, we're going to half double crochet there. And then we're going to half double crochet into each half double crochet row, if that makes sense. So hopefully this video does a better job of visually demonstrating what I'm doing better than my explanation. So if you have any questions or need any sort of clarification, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to thoroughly explain. Okay, so here we're at the other end of the waistband, and again this is the double crochet end. We're gonna make 2 half double crochet, and then I'm pretty sure I do the 5 half double crochet here. So there's 1 and 2 and 3, 4, and then 5. Okay. And then we're gonna wanna connect this part, and this is gonna start the actual skirt, which will be continued on part 2 for this video. I'm just gonna connect, slip stitch or slip join. Yeah. Okay, so before I let you guys go, I just wanted to go over some important notes. In the second bullet point here, the stretched waistband with chain spacing detail should have about 1 inch of space in between. I was referring to the completed waistband part. If you stretch it around yourself, you want to make sure there is about 1 inch of space in between, or if you stretch it out to and compare it with a measuring tape, you want to make sure that it's about an inch shorter than your waist measurement. Alright guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about this pattern that I may not have explained clearly enough, please do let me know down below. So I'll see you guys over at part 2 for the rest of this Lila skirt. Thanks for watching!